In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your shop in Etsy. Whether you've outgrown your current shop name or you just want a fresh identity, changing your shop name can feel like a big step, but it's quite straightforward once you know how to do it. So let's get started by logging into Etsy. Open your browser and head over to Etsy.com. If you prefer using your phone, you can do the same on the Etsy Seller app. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on Shop Manager. This is your one-stop hub for managing your Etsy shop, so let's dive in. After opening the Shop Manager, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. You need to find and click on Settings. On the desktop version, select Info and Appearance. If you're using the app, look for Shop Settings. Now that we're in the right section, it's time for the exciting part, changing your shop name. Look for the shop name field. This is where the magic happens. You get to choose a new name that fits your vision. Before you type it in, there are a few guidelines to remember. Your new shop name must be unique. No other shop on Etsy should already have it. Additionally, it needs to be between 4 to 20 characters long. Keep in mind that spaces and special characters are not allowed, but you can include letters, numbers, and underscores. Once you've thought about a creative and appropriate name, type it into the field. After typing your new shop name, double check to make sure it fits the guidelines and that you're confident with your new branding. If everything looks good, it's time to save the changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This action will finalize your changes. If the name is valid, available, and aligns with Etsy's requirements, your shop name will update immediately. And there you have it. Your shop has a brand new name. You can now continue creating and sharing your unique products under this fresh identity. With these steps, you've successfully renamed your Etsy shop. It's a simple process, but one that can have a significant impact on your business identity. Remember, if you ever need to make changes again, you can follow these straightforward steps. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Etsy!